Hi, this is a recipe for Pfeffernüssen cookies. You will need 3/4 cups butter, 1 cup sugar, 1 egg, 3/4 cup molasses, a half a teaspoon cloves, a half a teaspoon cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 5 cups flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix together the butter and sugar. Beat the egg separately and then pour it into the batter. Next, pour in the 3/4 cups molasses. After that, you can add the 5 cups of flour and all of the spices and baking soda. The dough should be firm. Cover the dough and place it in your refrigerator overnight. The next day, take out your batter and start working it into long tubes. It will be cold, so you might need to give it a little while to warm up so you can mold it better. After you have rolled it into long tubes, cut it into slices. Each slice should be about a 1/4 inch thick. Next comes the sugaring. Put the cookies into a colander and have 2 pie plates handy, one underneath the colander. Pour about a half a cup of sugar over the top of your cookies, and once those are coated, put them on a baking sheet, and you could put more cookies in the colander and reuse the sugar in the pie pans. You can bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can take them out and put them on a cooling rack if you have one. This recipe yields about 6 dozen cookies.